Good afternoon, students. I will teach now quadratic equation exercise sum. In previous class, I have already discussed quadratic equation formula, how to establish this formula: ax square bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Already discussed. And nature of the roots also discussed. Discriminant all of you know, that is b equal to b square minus 4ac. No, so ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so x equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Already discussed. And I have already discussed, that is sum of the roots alpha plus beta minus b by a and alpha beta c by a. Everything I have discussed. And nature of the roots also. There is a d greater than 0, two distinct real root, d less than 0, that is no real root, d equal to 0, then 2 equal to already discussed. Okay. And I have already discussed, that is if alpha plus I beta is a root of the equation, then another root is also alpha minus I beta, and one root is alpha plus root beta, then another root is alpha minus root beta. If alpha plus root beta, see, suppose alpha plus root beta, so another root will be alpha minus root beta, and one is alpha plus I beta, so another is alpha minus I beta. Already remember. Okay. Now I am showing few exercise sums. Look at here. Few exercise sums. So if the ratio of the roots of the equation x square minus px plus q equal to 0 be 1 is to 2 ratio. See, so x square minus px plus q equal to 0 is given. Roots, the ratio of the roots 1 is to 2. So right, let the roots are alpha and 2 alpha. See, their ratio is 1 is to 2. Okay. So sum of the roots alpha plus 2 alpha equal to minus b by, that is p. So 3 alpha equal to 2, and product, that is 2 alpha square equal to q. So alpha square will write q by 2. No, just you put here 9 alpha square equal to p square. So alpha square you can write p square by 9. Okay, and alpha square is given p by 2. So you can write here, that is p square by 9 equal to q by 2. So 2p square equal to 9q. This is the relation. Okay, x square minus px plus q equal to 0 is given. Then let the roots be alpha and 2 alpha. The ratio is given. Okay, so 1 is to 2 ratio is given. So you can write sum of the roots alpha plus 2 alpha, that is p, 3 alpha equal to p, and the product, so alpha into 2 alpha, that is 2 alpha square equal to q, alpha square q by 2. Just you put the value here. This is squaring both sides, 9p square equal to p square. So 9 alpha square p square by 9. Just to write p square by 9 equal to q by 2, then 2p square equal to 9q. This is the answer. Just you copy first. Okay, now second one. If alpha beta be the roots of the equation, alpha beta be root of equation x into 2x minus 1 equal to 1. So question number 2 is there. Okay, if alpha beta be the root of the equation, that is x into 2x minus 1 equal to 1, then find the value of alpha square minus beta square. Okay. See. So 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0 you can write. You have to solve. Two roots are there. So direct you can write, no problem. So you solve 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 you can write 0. Take 2x common, x minus 1 plus 1 common, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x minus 1, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 and x equal to minus half. So write alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to minus half. Now put the value alpha square minus beta square. So 1 whole square minus, that is minus half whole square. So write 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to, so write 3 by 4 answer. Okay? Answer is 3 by 4. Okay? Right. Equal to another question. So alpha plus beta equal to suppose half and alpha beta minus half. In that process also you can do. Now second one, third one. Right. Third one. If alpha beta be the root of the equation, okay, alpha beta be the root of the equation 5x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Alpha beta be the root of the equation. Then find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha to the power minus 1, beta to the power minus 1. Alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha to the minus 1 plus beta to the minus 1. Okay. So alpha beta be the root of the equation 5x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So write alpha plus beta first find out, minus 7 by 5. Okay. And alpha beta 3 by 5. So write alpha cube plus beta cube first find out. So all of you know the formula, whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay. So it will be minus 7 by 5 whole cube minus 3 alpha beta 3 by 5 and it will be minus 7 by 5. Okay. Understood? Now, so minus 49 into 7, 125 plus 63 by 25. Okay. Understood? Now LCM 1 to 5. So minus 49 into 7 plus 5, 63 into 5, 315 equal to right 3 okay. And this is 3 sorry 34. Okay. So minus 34, 315 by 125, 8 2 1 by 125 minus 9. Okay. Minus 18 by 125 and alpha to the power minus 1. See, alpha to the minus 1 plus beta to the minus 1. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta you can write. So alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta all of you know minus 7 by 5. Alpha beta 3 by 5. So it will be minus 7 by 3. Just to write here minus 18 by 125 divided by so minus 7 by 3. Okay. So simplify positive 125 into 3 by 7. So here 54 by 875. Okay. The 10 was 87. So answer will be 54 by 875. If no mistakes are there, I think there is no mistakes. 3 by b square minus alpha q plus beta formula all of you know. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha into alpha plus beta. Okay, just to simplify. Okay, if any mistakes are there, you correct it, no problem. So this sum is there. Okay, next one. Simple calculation you can do. This is very important. Question number 4. Question number 4 very important. That is, P and Q are the root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So roots are P and Q. So you can write P plus Q equal to minus b by a and PQ equal to c by a. Okay, and since P is the root of the equation, so you can write, look at here children, AP square plus BP plus c you can write 0, also AQ square plus BQ plus c equal to 0. You can write no? P is the root of the equation, so it is satisfied by P and this also satisfied by Q. Okay, so AP square plus BP plus c equal to 0 and AQ square plus BQ plus c equal to 0. Understood? So you can write from here AP square plus c, you can write minus BP and AQ square plus c minus BP. You can write no? Why? Now because here question rule is given no? 1 by AP square plus c whole square find out. See, question is there, 1 by AP square plus c whole square plus 1 by AQ square plus c whole square. So right, AP square plus c minus BP. Okay, so it will be 1 by b square p square plus 1 by b square q square. Okay, take 1 by b square common. Here 1 by b square common. So it will be p square plus q square by p square q square. Okay, so write 1 by b square. So this will be p plus q whole square minus 2pq by p square q square. Okay, so write 1 by b square into p plus q minus b by a. So it will be b square by a square 2c by a by p square q square, that is c square by a square. Just to simplify, you will get the result. A square cancel, so it will be same. B square minus 2c by b square c square. B square cancel, so it will be b square c square. This is the answer. Right. Here given AP square plus c is given, that is why find out this part. Okay, and from here AP square plus c equal to minus BP. Okay, now next sum. Next one, alpha beta be the root of the equation 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Roots are alpha beta. Okay. This is question number 5. So write alpha plus beta, you can write minus half and alpha beta half. Okay. Now find the equation whose roots are alpha square by beta and beta square by alpha. Again, find out one equation, that is called equation. Roots are given. What is the root? See, roots are required equation roots is alpha square by beta and beta square by alpha. Okay, beta square by alpha. Then find the equation whose roots are alpha square by beta and beta square by alpha. So it is not factorization. Okay, okay. So that's why you do like that, alpha plus beta minus half and alpha beta half. Okay, with the help of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, with the help of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we have to find the value of this relation. Okay, see, so required roots was given alpha square beta, beta square alpha. These roots are given. So find sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, that is alpha square beta plus beta square by alpha. So it will be alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha beta. So this will be like alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta by alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole cube is here, minus half is given. So write minus half whole cube minus 3 alpha beta half, which will be minus half by alpha beta half. Now minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 by a half. Okay, whole half means here into 2, so minus 1 by 8. See, this will write LCM is 8, there is minus 1 plus 6 by half. So here 5 by 8 into 1 by 2 cancel, 5 by 16. Understood? Just simplify. Alpha plus beta whole cube, this will be minus half. So minus 1 by 8 minus 3 AB half into this minus half. So it will be 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now just to simplify, same 8 is there, minus 1 plus 6 by 8, so it will be 5 by 8 by half. So wait. 5 by 8 by half. So it will be, wait, 1 minute. 5 by 8 by half means 2 by 1. So it will be 5 by 4. Okay? 5 by 4. Now, product of the roots. So alpha plus beta got 5 by 4, and this plus this. Two roots are there. Sum of the roots are getting 5 by 4. And product. So right, product equal to alpha square beta into beta square by alpha. So you can get alpha beta, no? Alpha beta value is not half. Okay? Now find the equation. See, new equation. This is 5 by 4 again. Okay? So equation is given, right? So equal equation whose roots are alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. We can write x square minus sum of the roots of x plus product equal to 0 written. Many of the students forgot to write the 0. So here answer will be reacted because it is equation is given. So right hand side should be 0. Okay. Now okay. So right, x square 5 by 4 of x plus product half. This should be 0. Right, 4x square minus 5x plus 2. This is the equation. Okay. Now next one. Again, alpha beta b root of the equation. The equation relation is that alpha beta is given 768 and alpha square plus beta square is given this one. Find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Here again find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. Satisfy the relation alpha beta equal to 768 and alpha square plus beta square equal to 1602. So write first. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 1602. So write alpha plus beta whole square 2 768 1602. So write alpha plus beta whole square equal to 1600 plus six, three, 3 on 3, 6. Okay. So write alpha plus beta equal to write positive value write first 3 on 3, 6. So right here 3 1 3 6 right 5 5. So 6 63. Okay, taking positive value. Okay, you can take negative also, no problem. Plus minus also you can write. Then so x square minus sum of the roots is 63x plus product already given 768 equal to 0. If you take negative sign, suppose plus minus it. First positive, one equation positive sign, and negative sign will write x square minus 63x, so we will plus, this will no change, 768. So these two equations is coming. Okay. Next one. Find the equation whose roots are the square of the roots of x square plus 3x plus 4. Suppose the equation roots alpha beta is given. Okay, this equation, that is x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So write alpha plus beta minus 3, alpha beta 4. Okay, find the equation whose roots are alpha the squares of the roots of this equation. So equation, required equation roots are there. So alpha square beta square are square. So write alpha square plus beta square, find out alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha. So this is minus 3 whole square 2 into 4. So 9 minus 8 equal to the product alpha beta. So alpha beta, product alpha square beta square, right? So write alpha beta whole square, no? So 16. So write equation, that is new equation or required equation, right? Required equation. So x square minus sum of the roots alpha square beta square minus, so 1, that is minus x plus the product alpha square beta square. So it will be alpha beta 4, so 16 equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay. Now next one. Three a square is given, see, equal to 4a minus 5 and 3b square equal to 4b minus 5 given, whose roots are where a not equal to b, find the value of a square plus b square. See, these two equations can write, see, 3a square minus 4a plus 5b equal to 0, and the 3b square minus 4b plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so clearly you can write from these two relation. This equation is given two equation, so you can write here. See, a and b are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Because if we put a here, look at here, a 3a square minus 4b plus 5 equal to 0. Similarly, 3b square minus 4b plus 5 equal to 0. So ab are the root of the equation this one. So write a plus b first find out, minus b by, that is 4 by 3, and ab find out 5 by 3. Find the value of a square plus b square. Okay, so write a square plus b square, you can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus a square plus a plus b 4 by 3 plus 16 by 9, 2ab 5 by 3. So 16 by 9, 10 by 3. With the multiply 3 into 3. So that is 16 minus 30 by 9 minus 40 by 9. Okay? Sorry, minus 14. 14 by 9. The value of a square plus b square minus 14 by 9. So here 4 by 3, 16 by 9, 2ab, 5 by 3. So 16 by 9 minus 10 by 3. So both multiply by 3. Otherwise 10 by 3 will LCM 9 like that. Okay? 16 now 30, that is minus 14 by 9. Okay? Now whatever I am discussing here, all of you practice at home. So very easy chapter called equation. Okay? So all of you practice. Okay? Bye bye.